how. You're tuned to WCNI 90.9 FM, New London. We come to you from the campus of Connecticut College. My name's Dale. This is the No Static Radio show. And this is Jonathan Richman.
By the cold outside, swerving trees and speed, and it smells real white. I said, road runner twice. I'm in love with this morning feeling. I'm gonna stay out all night. All right, now you tell the modern man. I got the car, got the AM. I got the magic power and bleakness. Got the feeling late at night. Oh, here we go around up through 128. With this lonely feeling late at night with the radio on, just like a road runner. Okay, now you tell them, modern lovers. That's right, I got the AM. You got the car, I got the magic feeling. I got the sound of this lonely feeling when it's late at night, and I like it, cause I just drive alone through that blue and white field. I drive alone under the stars of the radio towers. I drive from Mattapan to Rosendale, and I like it, cause I'm lonely and I don't have a girlfriend, but I don't mind, cause I'm in love. I want to tell you, I'm in love with the modern world. I'm in love with every modern feeling. Okay, we're gonna say bye-bye. I'm so in love. We're gonna say bye-bye for the night.